thing. Let's go to the room and see what it has to offer.
First floor.
Good afternoon to you all and welcome to another hotel room tour. So I have currently just arrived at the MOXY Hotel at the NEC, Birmingham NEC Arena. I am here this weekend for the Talkfest event over the weekend, the Saturday and the Sunday, and I'm staying at the MOXY Hotel, so why not bring you a hotel room tour from the MOXY Hotel? Makes sense, doesn't it? So, as usual, for those of you who watch me, or have watched me, if you haven't watched me before, my name's Mac Blogs, aka Ian, and I do all types of vlogs, so you can have a look at my about section, my YouTube channel, Mac Blogs, which you're watching on just now. So yeah, that'll give you a list of stuff that I do, I'm going to do, etc. But let's have a look at the room. So I always start off at the fire escape plan. For this year I'm staying in 116. Just make sure you know emergency routes. Thumb turn, light switches just for your power or to get the light on. And then as you come in, general overview of the room. All these little cool areas here, which we'll cover shortly. And the view, I'll move this netting. So I'm right on the doorstep of the NEC, so a couple of big steps and you're in. So ideal location if you're coming for that. I've got a double bed. I'm staying here for 3 nights. All in all, I have paid £231 without breakfast for those 3 nights, so Friday, Saturday and Sunday night, to attend the event. But here you've got your wardrobe space, hanging area. It says there for clothes, not for hangers on. So I've got 4 hangers. This area here, so little hooks to hang things on. This here is a hairdryer, I believe. Yep, feels like a hairdryer. Yep, hairdryer. This little pouch thing you can put the camera in. Yep, it works. Yep, fold this out to unpack your. You lift it off. It's on these hooks. Lift it off. Unpack your bag. Not far off a full length mirror floor to ceiling. And a little desk here, little table. Pull out seat. Again, more of these little things to put things on. You know, it's rest your arm on it. It's a good armrest. So I'm just going to do the tour from here now. No, I've no idea what you would use that for, but let me know. More little hooks. Yeah, things. Teas, coffees. So it's a kettle here. So it looks like normal tea, no herbal tea, anything, but normal tea, decaf, normal coffee, milks. I've turned that cup round to put some of my change out my pocket in there just now. And some wipes. TV, nice TV, Samsung TV, yep. Here we have some sockets, so European, American socket, normal UK plug, 2 USB points. Little light here, just random light, but it's nice. Got a light above here as well. On one side of the bed we have this little, looks like a stool but it's not. I suppose you could use it as a stool, but don't use it as a stool. It's a little bedside table, socket, no USB here, got a light there, Don't go too close, it'll blind you. But it's a nice little feature. That's me stretching over there. Same on this side in regards to the light. So got this little switch there at the bottom. You've got these. What that's for. So this one is for that area there. That one is for above the bed, behind the TV there, and the hangers section, wardrobe section. That little sit down bit here, which looks comfortable. Let's have a little. Oh, that's comfortable. It just like deflates when you sit down on it. I should not have done that. Anyway, right. Oh, I ended up falling asleep. Oh, little lights under there as well, that's cool. We have the thermostat, so you control your heating, etc. from there. That's really it from the room. Now that's weird. How random is that being there? I've not seen that before. What's that going to be for? There's a socket next to the switch for the bathroom. Maybe for the cleaners to come in, plug in with the hoovers. Don't know. Anyway, bathroom. Or not a bathroom, shower. There is no bath. But nice big shower. Walk-in shower, not a massive trip hazard. Shower, don't know what that is there. Ow! Don't want to step in with my shoes. So I'm leaning over. What do we have here? Ultra soft hair and body wash. Ultra soft conditioner. Just what I need for the lack of hair I have. So mixer tap for the sink. Then we have ultra soft hand soap. Yeah. Trying to focus there. Couple of cups. Some cups, tissues, shaver point, some towels down here, bin, which is good, so recycling and general waste by the looks of it, so you can recycle stuff here by the looks of it, general, I don't know, I'm not too sure, but I will do my bit, like I always try to. Hanging towel rail, hanging rail for towel. Yeah, it's been a long day. If you watch my vlog from my travel day to for Talkfest, you'll understand why I am talking gibberish. Toilet roll, toilet cleaner, toilet. And that's really it. Ooh, escape hatch. Yeah, that's it. So, in my opinion, great location. It was fantastic price. I'd done some research before I came here. What I done was I drove down from Glasgow to Birmingham NEC. I parked at the MOXY have a dedicated and allocated parking area at the NEC. So when you're on the motorway, you take the cut off for NEC. You come round that bend, that corner. You come to the roundabout, you take a left, you'll see a sign saying Bear Grylls MOXY Hotel car parking on your first left again. So you come off roundabout, take a left at roundabout, first left again, and then on the right hand side you go into the wee barrier, but press the button and you get a yellow coin, and you take that coin to the hotel and you validate the coin, which gives you a cheaper rate for parking. Hopefully that makes sense. So yeah, for me, location, wind, because I'm won
location 1, price 1, it all made sense. Right on the doorstep, I don't need to run around taxis if I'm driving and then have to get the car, or even drive to the location and park the car. That's me for a couple of days. I can relax, go enjoy the event, come back to the room, sleep, because I need my sleep, need my beauty sleep. I don't know if I should shave or not. I'm between shaving or not. What do you think? But yeah, that's really it for the room. I didn't show, sorry, there's the USB points there as well. So, socket, USB points. Just clocked my eye there. Is there any drawers under the bed? Some space under the bed, and everyone knows I like some space under the bed there. You can slide the bags, depending on the size of your bag, underneath. I don't see any ironing facility, which I might have to request, because I need to iron my t-shirts, because I might look a bit square with my clothes. But yeah, that's it guys. I'm not going to go into too much detail. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you subscribe as well, so that keeps me motivated, that keeps me going. I've got loads of things coming up. If you've watched this, then I'm not too sure when I'm going to upload this compared to the Talkfest event. So I'm vlogging in that event as well, and I will upload those videos. Pardon me, I might do this after. So this is just a video just purely on the hotel room. But yeah, we'll see what happens. And yeah, if you want to support me, support the channel, have a look in the description. You'll see all my social media. You'll see Hello Sock, a sock brand that I own. So you'll see that as well. That just funds my channel, keeps me going, supports the channel. And yeah, you want to follow social media, Facebook, Instagram, all that good stuff, it's all there. So thank you for watching this hotel tour. Hopefully it has helped you in making a decision and plan for coming to the NEC, regardless of what event you're coming to. This is my first time staying here, staying right next to the NEC. I've been to the NEC before with my brand Hello Sock for an event with stalls, etc. So yeah, I haven't came here just for an event, to enjoy it and relax, and obviously do the content side of it as well, which I am currently doing just now because you're watching. So thank you. So anyway guys, hopefully you watch my videos from this event, and going forward, hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks, bye.